Namaste children. This video is for class 9. I welcome you all for today's computer class. Children, you all have experienced and explored with Microsoft Office, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, isn't it? In class 9, you are going to learn about OpenOffice.org. What is OpenOffice.org? Do you have any idea about OpenOffice.org? Let me explain you children. OpenOffice.org is a freely available and full-featured office suite. It can be installed on any suitable computers. Now, the question should raise in your mind, who can use this OpenOffice.org? It can be used by private, commercial, educational or even governmental entities. That's why, because of the features of OpenOffice.org, it has become a major competitor with Microsoft Office suite that includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint. OpenOffice.org is developed by Apache. Children, what are the components of OpenOffice.org? These are the components of OpenOffice.org. Writer, that is word processor, similar like Word. Calc, similar like spreadsheet. Impress, similar like presentation. Draw, vector graphics. Base, database. Math, formula editor. So regarding this, I will explain you in detail in future. Now let us see in detail about advantages of OpenOffice.org. So these are the advantages of OpenOffice.org. No licensing fees. What do you mean by no licensing fees, children? Means it is free for anyone to use and it can be distributed at no cost. Open source means you can distribute, copy, edit the software as much as you wish. Cross-platform. Cross-platform means it can run on several hardware architecture as well as it can run on multiple operating systems such as Windows operating system, Macintosh operating system, Linux operating system. Extensive language support means it is available in over 40 languages. Next one is consistent user interface. Means all the components have a similar look and feel so that it is easy to use. That is consistent user interface. Integration. Integration means all the components of the OpenOffice.org are well integrated with each other. In order to make you to understand, let me give some examples, children. The drawing tools available in Writer can also be found on Calc. But some enhanced features, some improved extra features you can see in Impress as well as in Draw. You can also open the Draw files from Writer. That's why integration is one of the important advantage of OpenOffice.org. Means all the components of OpenOffice.org are well integrated with each other. File compatibility means it supports PDF formats, flash export capabilities, as well as it supports opening and saving files in most common formats such as Microsoft Office, HTML, XML. No vendor lock-in means files can be unzipped and opened in any text editor and their framework can be opened and published. I hope you all understood about the advantages of OpenOffice.org. In chapter 6, you are going to learn about OpenOffice.org Writer. So, now let us see in detail about Writer and its features. This is the logo of OpenOffice.org. Now let us see in detail about Writer word processor. It is one of the software package of OpenOffice.org. It is one of the component of OpenOffice.org. What you can do with this word processor? Similar like Word, you can create letters, newsletters, books, reports, brochures and other documents. Also, it enables you to create, edit, format, save and print the document. Now let us see about the features of Writer. It is fast. Also it provides editing features. Children, whenever it is required, you can do insertions, deletions and you can do modifications. Permanent storage. So you can save your document and whenever it is required, you can retrieve the document. Formatting features. In order to make your document more attractive, you can format your document with the help of formatting features, with the help of different font face, font style. You can also align your document. Graphics. OpenOffice Writer, it provides the drawing toolbar. In order to make your document more attractive, you can insert some shapes. You can also insert pictures. You can make use of drawing tools. OLE, Object Linking and Embedding. It is a program. We can also say it is like an integrated technology. Means you can share your information between programs through objects. Objects are like saved entities with the different types of pictures, charts, video clips, audio clips, equations, etc. Spell check. Even Writer supports spell check features. Means it will check the misspelled words. Also it will provide the suggestions. Mail merge. Children, in Microsoft Office Word, you have learned about mail merge, isn't it? So what is the use of mail merge? You can send the same invitations to many people at the same time. Only thing is you have to change the name and address. So even OpenOffice Writer supports mail merge features. So these are the features of Writer. I hope you all have understood about Writer as well as about its features. Children, in the next class, I will give you the practical demonstration. In that, I will explain you how to work with Writer. That's all for today's class. Thank you, children. Keep smiling.